Hi everyone, how you doing? Over here. I just thought I'd come and have a bit of a setting by the pool today. There's got a waterfall going on as well, which is always nice. Yeah, I just thought we'll have a little chat, see where we're up to. Had a lot of rain today actually, but it only lasted about an hour and then cleared up. That's usually the case here in Thailand. You get really heavy rain for a short amount of time and then it stops, and then within an hour it's all gone. Anyway, let's sit down, have a little chat. All I need now is a pina colada. Do you know what? I never really, I tasted a pina colada before I came to Thailand, but never really had one. Yeah, I've had quite a few here. And a friend of mine actually, and if you're watching, this is a great idea. Pina colada with a rum shot. Pour it in the top. That's the pina colada on another level, let me tell you. Anyway, yeah, I just thought we'll have a little catch up. Rather than sit in the condo, I thought I'd have a little waterfall feature. I just hope you can hear me okay. As I said, yeah, we've had a lot of rain today, but that's fine. I was actually in town having some beauty therapy. I think the title of the video kind of tells you where I was, but yeah, so I ended up having a coffee afterwards. But yeah, and talking of coffee, just up there, you scan that, buy me one if you like. Don't have to, it's just the thing there that it's to support the channel, and there's a lot of you that do that, and I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. And other people have been asking how. So yeah, quite simple. Just wave your phone over the QR code. It's very easy nowadays, isn't it? Things are so simple. Yeah, I've got the condos coming up because I'm looking for somewhere new to stay. So I thought, because when I first came over, I sort of looked at 2 or 3 because it was almost like I was in a rush. Even though I had like 12 days in a hotel, the first few days I was sort of living it up and enjoying myself. So it got towards the end of the hotel stay and I thought, oh, I need somewhere to stay. So if I'm honest, I rushed into it because I ended up getting somewhere in Jomtien, and in the end, after a little stay there, it wasn't for me. So yeah, don't make the mistake I did if you're going to come over and find somewhere to live. So I'm going to have a look at a lot to buy, because it's easier to buy condos than it is houses over here. You know, see what the options are, and then to rent as well. See some nice ones. You know, is it worth the money? And then some, I'm going to say not so nice ones then, but that's not the right terminology. But a cheaper version. But yeah, I went in, this is very new for me. I went and had my hair cut today. So that needed doing. 150 baht, by the way. So 150 baht, it's just over £3 English money, because in the comments as well, I do read the comments, guys. Sometimes I can't read every single one because there's so many, but I do read the comments. And again, a lot of you have been saying that, especially those of you that watch from another country that have never been to Thailand, you've been asking, can I reference to British pounds as well as Thai baht? So I must remember to do the British pounds, the Australian dollar and the US dollar, because it's only fair, because you're the viewers. So yeah, I should put a little bit of work in. But yeah, I had my haircut, 150 baht. And then I looked, there was a sign, I could see it in the mirror. And there was a sign in a room at the back, and it said, intimate shaving. I thought, oh, it's a bit scary, isn't it? But I thought, when in Rome. So I had a little go, and yeah, it's the most bizarre feeling, because don't forget, you're in a country where you can have fun and games with ladies. We all know that, if you want to. So then here you are, laying on a bed, you know, bottom naked, and I was laying on my front, and as the lady walked in, same lady that cut my hair, can you turn over, we start that side. Okay. Turn over, and she's using the cutthroat, so I am like I was going to say stiff as a board then, but no, I'm not going to go there. Yeah, that was the first thing that I thought of. So yeah, there I am, and you know, they have to kind of move it to get to the areas, and I'm struggling to breathe because I don't want to move an inch. She's got a cutthroat razor there. But yeah, that was that experience, and then you turn over and another new experience. You might think, really? Honestly, guys, I've never ever had, they call it the back, sack and crack, don't they? So low back, but sack and crack. Never had my bum shaved in my life. But I thought, you know, what I'm laughing because it's an experience. It really is. You know, an experience that in my 20s, it wasn't a thing. You know, so all you young guys out there now, you probably do it all the time. But yeah, so it was a new thing. I did it, and I come out, and you can't help smiling when you come out. You know, there's people thinking, oh, he's just had a haircut. Yeah, I did. In more ways than one. But I thought it's just a little fun video today, guys. You know, it's all honesty. It's what happened today. So I thought I'd share it, give you guys a laugh. It's 29 degrees. So it's a really nice temperature actually, because it doesn't often go, especially this time of year. But we've had a lot of rain. It's been cloudy all day. I love this weather because 29 degrees is nothing to be sniffed at, let me tell you. But there's a little breeze in the air, which I like. So there you go. We're looking at condos soon, but today it was no back, sack and crack. Brilliant. Brilliant. You couldn't make it up. Guys, thanks for watching. A little bit of fun. Hope you enjoyed it. Love to Luke, Mia, Mum and Sis. Sorry, Mia and Mum. But, you know, sometimes has to be done. So, again, thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see you on the next one. Not a bad old life, is it? I'm going in a minute. Yeah, so this is the pool I have at the condo I stay in. Yeah, it's nice. Especially on a day like this. I've been overcast all day. 29 degrees, like I said, but just right for a nice cool dip. Anyway, guys, I'll see you later on.